So while on your Facebook app, now there are always 3 dots on every post, 3 dots at the top right of every post. So now I'm trying to choose a particular post that I want to save. Okay, let's say I want to save this post, for instance. So what I'll do is I'll click on the 3 dots at the top right of the post, and then I will go to save post. Okay, so let me explain something. Now if you click to save a post, from the beginning what you would see is that it would tell you and ask you whether it should save with a new collection. That is when you don't have a collection. Now collections are the kinds of posts that you are saving. Maybe you want to categorize your posts, okay, into different categories depending on what they are talking about. Maybe if you have a post that has to do with things that are funny, or you have posts that are quotes, posts that are about dressing, quotes that are about issues, quotes that are about news. Like I have here, I have Christian posts, I have quotes, lifestyles, issues, and I have tricks as well. So in case I want to create a collection for this one, this is a praying post. It's more like a post of praying or prayer. So what I do is okay, let's assuming I'm saving it for the first time. So when I click on save, what I would do is I will go to Christian posts, or let's create a collection. I click on collection, then I go to write prayer, right, and I put create. So item saved to collection. So where is this thing saved? That is where the question is. So you go to the 3 lines at the top right of your Facebook, at the top right, very top right, those 3 lines, click on it. Now you scroll down to where you see saved. A lot of you have saved things in the past, but you don't know where they are. So this is where to find it. So when you go here, you would see a summary of all the posts that you have done. At the top here, you see today. These are the posts that were saved today, as at the time this video has been recorded. We have the past week, and as you go further, you will also see posts from past month. Okay, yes, past month. So now what's next? Now here you have all your posts. You will see all types. At the top you will see saved items. Now you go to all types. There are different kinds of posts. So this one is a summary, but if you want to sort it and give, okay, you want to sort it to give you all videos, it will give you all videos. If you want to sort it to give you all photos, it will give you all photos. But when you say all types, it will give you all the types of posts that you have saved in one place. Now in the collection, this is where they are being segmented. Okay, so when you come here, you would see, like I did a post on prayer, it's there, Christian posts, quotes. Now there are several quotes in that particular category. If I click on it, I will see several posts that have to do with quotes. Okay, or I have posts that have to do with lifestyles and so on, and I also have posts that have to do with tricks and so on. So now you can decide to remove a particular collection or rename a particular collection. How do you do that? You click on the 3 lines at the side of the post here. Now you rename it or you delete it. Okay, this plus sign, you click this plus sign if you want to create a new collection, so that by the time you want to post, you just post it, or save. By the time you want to save, you will save it directly to that particular collection. I hope that helps you. If that did, please drop a like and follow, subscribe wherever you're coming from, whether it's Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, and don't forget to share. God bless you.